Alright guys, I'm playing don't press that button for. Yeah, that's not what I play. This game is too easy guys. I ever played this before. I never. Well, I don't know. But this wait, why is he so little? And why is she wait, where did she start from? Alright guys, so this is another one. I'll jump here. Maybe I wonder what's this. Wait, I found here. Wait, no, actually. Alright. Actually, this is too crazy, guys. I don't know. Wait, no, I cannot enter. Why I cannot get there? Alright. Maybe they're making a house something, I don't know. Do I have to do this up? Yeah, actually I can do it up. Like I could put them up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I almost get there. I almost get there. Let's go, bro. Wait, I think I saw that thing. Wait, no, that's the glow in the dark quartz. I like this one. They make us like glow in the dark. Like this color makes me like maybe it's gold. Maybe it is gold because the color is like that. It's gold. What? Moon? It's not fair. What? I'm already getting frozen into the end. Getting in the end. Alright. No! No! I even want to touch this thing. Maybe it's this thing. Yeah, that's this thing. No, bruh. I got the. Okay. I will not be. We better not be from. Oh no, God. Oh God. What the? Bruh, really? This is getting me so crazy. Right, did it get cold in there? No, okay, finally. Yes, let's go. You're done. I think this is the floor's lava, I think. Yeah, I think that's the floor's lava. No! Lost. Come on. I hope we win. Come on, bro. I don't know who's gonna win. Wait. Caleb. Well, 2-2 they all they got lost. Wow. 4 people left. I hope Luna got this. Get lost. Because she's the only one that she got win. No, Paul. Oh, bruh. Oh. Whoa. I cannot read this in Spanish. It says, get quickly at the floor. Bro, how did I get loose? Actually, how did I get loose? How did I get loose? Bro, this is getting stupid. 4 people. Woo! Oh my god, my god, my god, my god. This is so easy. I played this before. No, I cannot jump this. I need to get her. No, bruh. Really? Bruh, this is stupid. Bro, come on. How did I get loose? Cause the lava thing? That's not even fair. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna make another video. The last video, anyways.